So tonight we are at the Westin in Indianapolis downtown. This is a hotel located in the middle of the downtown district, close to shopping, the sports arenas, and great restaurants. So as you come in to the room itself, you do have a king-size bed with what I would consider well-appointed materials and really nice lighting in here. You do have a full-length mirror. You have a nice size television, really nice closet area to put your things in, and then also a set of hooks outside so you can hang your coat or your book bag or whatever you may have. And then if you come over to the bathroom area, this is a handicap accessible room, it looks like, but you have a step-in tub with an adjustable shower head, and of course your sink area. So overall, come around from this side. Overall, I'd say it's a nice room. With the curtains closed, it does feel a little bit dark, but there seems to be plenty of lights to be able to turn on to brighten it up a little bit. And you can also open the curtain, and a really nice little sitting area there. So overall, Westin in downtown Indianapolis, really nice hotel.